I'd say 2 foot. Some people say 3 foot, but it's about the height of the roof, but maybe 1 to 2.
List of favorite people in the world, and my time, it is your time, but we need more time together in life. So go and carve it on a tree or write it on the sea. You are my best friend. We'll make the sweet birds sing a song, the trees will sway along. You are my best friend. And oh, the look of summer in your eyes, it burns through the salty haze. Old time shared with you on blue lagoons, these were my best days. And as time moves along, the summer's gone, but still it's you I love. And we are together in time. Oh, we are together in time. When we're apart, oh, you think of me. When you touch the sea, for no one knows me like you do. And yes, it's true, it's not just me and you. The God's chord binds the two together in life. So go and carve it on a tree, write it on the sea. You are my best friend. We'll make the sweet birds sing a song, the trees will sway along. You are my best friend. Oh, the look of summer in your eyes, it burns through the salty haze. Old time shared with you on blue lagoons, these were my best days. And as time moves along, the summer's gone, but still it's you I love. And we are together in time. And we are together in time.
Potato soup and rice. What we've had for dinner for the last probably 10 days. It's good.
It's you I love, and we are together in time. And we are together in time. Oh, we are together in time. And we are together in time.
So I'm an environmental scientist from Byron Bay, and I've just stopped in the islands in Indonesia and found it extremely disheartening, the amount of plastic that I've found on the shorelines. What would you say?
It actually really repulses me to think that the local people would do that. For a start, it's just not necessary to burn off
Completely
rubbish
unnecessary.
when
And it harms us all.
What are you going to do about it?
really easy to recycle.
So we've got a
water.
couple of methods already instilled. One is just taking to the locals with baseball bats, which is
Definitely.
probably our best yet.
Yeah, for sure. There's
Yeah.
other things that could take place, like just burning houses down.
Sound like you guys got some good ideas, yeah.
Oh yeah, see, we see a firm line for the future island in Indonesia.